Ever wondered why some businesses skyrocket on social media while others barely leave the ground? It's not luck or magic, it's strategy. Today, we dive into the step-by-step guide to increasing your business growth on social media. First off, identify your audience. Knowing who to target is the foundation of any successful strategy. What are their interests? What problems do they face that your product or service can solve? The answers to these questions will guide your content creation and engagement tactics. Next, choose the right platforms. Not all social media platforms serve the same purpose. Instagram might be perfect for a clothing brand, but a financial consultancy firm, it might find more success on LinkedIn. Research the platforms where your target audience spends their time and establish your presence there. Now onto content creation. High-quality, engaging content is the lifeblood of your social media presence. It's not just about promoting your products or services, but offering value to your audience. Share tips, insights, and stories that resonate with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Regular posting keeps your brand fresh in the minds of your followers. Engagement should never be underestimated. Respond to comments, like and share posts, and start conversations. Interacting with your audience not only fosters a sense of community, but also increases your visibility on the platform. Paid advertising is another powerful tool. Social media platforms offer targeted advertising options that allow you to reach a wider or more specific audience. Start with a small budget and gradually increase it as you see results. Analytics should become your best friend. Monitor your post's performance, track engagement, and watch for trends. This data will help you refine your strategy and maximize your efforts. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional help. Social media marketing agencies have the expertise to take your social media presence to the next level. They can provide guidance, resources, and even manage your accounts for you. In summary, increasing your social media business growth involves identifying your audience, choosing the right platforms, creating engaging content, interacting with your followers, investing in paid advertising, utilizing analytics, and seeking professional help when needed. Remember, social media success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. But with these steps, you're well on your way to creating a powerful social media presence that drives business growth. So what are you waiting for? It's time to dive into the world of social media and watch your business soar.